Last week we started our lesson on pollination. You started off by going to Padlet and adding your questions and observations. Today we're going to review that and make sure that we're all on the same page. At the beginning of this unit, we learned about the different parts of a plant. The roots, which soak up the water and nutrients, the stem, which holds up the plant, the leaves, which get sunlight and help the plant make food within the stem, and some plants have flowers, and those flowers have pollen and nectar, which we're going to talk about today. Nectar is the sweet, juicy, sugary water that plants make to feed themselves. Some insects and birds and animals like to drink that nectar, like bees, bats, butterflies and moths, and even birds. What they don't realize though is that when they're drinking the nectar, they're also getting pollen stuck on their bodies, like this bat or this bee. When those animals and insects and birds go to another plant, they're shaking off or spreading that pollen, just like this ladybug who's cleaning off that sticky pollen but doesn't realize that it's actually pollinating the flower. Same thing for this bee. When the pollen goes from one flower to the next, it's helping the flower create seeds. Those seeds are used to help the plant grow more of itself, just like the sunflower here. Once the plant is fully pollinated, the seeds will drop off. We as humans eat some of these seeds, but some of these seeds actually drop off the plant, dig themselves into the ground or get covered up by dirt, and then become more of the same plant. This happens everywhere. It happens in our neighborhoods with our trees. It happens on farms. In fact, pollination has to happen in order for us humans to live and in order for our world to continue to grow.